feel. So what we're going to be doing is actually testing inferior joint play or inferior glide of the shoulder. So thinking of the concave convex rule, does anybody remember what an inferior glide would improve or what a restricted inferior glide would stop for shoulder motion? Which motion causes the shoulder, the humeral head to drop inferiorly?
Abduction.
Abduction, because we've got convex moving on concave. So if I'm
Opposite.
here, yeah, you can see where that's going to go down. So usually if I was going to prep and do this mobilization, I would test her abduction passively. So obviously she's not limited, so we're all good on that. So what I would want to do then is I'm going to come in and I'm going to support her. So I basically the support and just a little bit of kind of holding the joint. That's our grade 1. Remember, that's what we talked about, the loosening portion. Remember that? Taking up the all the weight of it, taking the compressive force off. If I now want to take her shoulder inferiorly through the grades, we're going to go like so. I'm going to place the web space of my hand on the humeral head, so don't be on the acromion. Drop right off the acromion onto the humeral head, like so. I'm going to take up slack, so that's like grade 1. Feel that stop. What do you feel when I take it down right there? That's your first stop, so that's grade 2. So you guys can probably kind of see it. If you look closely, I glide down, I glide down, I glide down, it stopped right there. It kicked back at me. That's grade 2. And if I was going to stretch, then grade 3 is going to be beyond that. Okay. Yeah, it is. Translatoric motion. Yep. So again, going to support her well, body trap, support, basically I have like her whole humerus on top of my forearm. Nice and loose back here, so I'm not grabbing her. Nice loose support. Come in, again, web space, like between my index and thumb, right on the humeral head. Glide down, grade 2, because that's the first place I feel resistance. Stretch past, grade 3. And then let her out slowly. Same thing to be said when, like as I took the slack up slowly, like I come down, grade 2, grade 3. Don't just let go, come out just as slow as you went in, because we don't want recoil discomfort. Cool.